Here we have the Razer headset stand, because as you may know, we have the headset. But yeah, there's the model if you ever need it. So yeah, let's unbox it. Yeah. Having problems opening this right now. Okay, there we go. Oh wow. So let's just put this to the side for right now. Oh wow. And of course, we always get these stuff. You need it. But yeah. There's that cable. And I'll be right back once I plug it in. So we got it plugged in, and it's downloading in the Razer Synapse app. So yeah. So, here it is. We got it paired into this app, and we're gonna see what the light we have, or what we can set it. Okay, so now we have it on wave mode, and that is our stand. Our table right now is a little bit small, so we can't actually put it somewhere that would look good. But, I mean, look at that. Hey guys, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more unboxing, reviews, or update videos. And yeah, subscribe, like, and comment. See you guys later.